Ensure that the unit is shut off and unplugged. Place the 3 heater retaining clips onto the new heater. If the unit is a full-size unit, there will be 5 retaining clips. Carefully insert heater terminal ends up into the heater holes. Position the heater clamps onto the retaining studs. Using a 3/8 wrench or socket and the retaining nuts, mount the heater clamps onto the studs. Place the retention plates over the terminal ends and onto the mounting studs. Using a 3/8 socket or wrench, secure the retention plate with the 4 retaining nuts. Pull the insulation back around the heater terminal ends. Carefully push the star washers onto the heater terminal ends and push down to secure to compartment top. Using needle nose pliers and referencing the wiring diagram, connect the heater wires to the heater terminals. Replace the unit top, then using a Phillips screwdriver, replace the 6 screws that secure the unit top. Replace the flues in the unit. Mount the fan cover onto the rear mounting lugs and then secure the front with 2 retaining nuts using a 7/16 wrench or socket. Replace the wire rails and fill the unit with water. Plug the unit in and power on to verify the unit is working correctly.